Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening iMovie and creating a new movie project. This puts your clips into a timeline. Tap plus, then choose the clips you want and press Create Movie. Once clips appear, you trim quickly by dragging the yellow handles. This removes dead space at the start and end. Make sure to preview each trimmed clip. It helps you see pacing before you add transitions or audio. Now refine the edit. Tap a clip to reveal split, delete, and detach audio options. Use split to remove mistakes, then drag clips to reorder timing. This controls narrative flow. For sound, add a music track or tap a clip to lower its volume and add fades. This balances dialogue versus background music. Finally, insert transitions and titles from the toolbar to smooth cuts and label sections. These small choices make the video look polished. When ready, tap Done, then the Share button to choose resolution and export destination. Select 1080p for good quality. If audio drifts, detach the audio track, nudge it frame by frame to realign, then reattach once synced. If export fails, free at least 500 MB of storage, close iMovie and restart your iPhone, then try again. These final checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.